This is the most hillbilly, Cajun, backwoods type of Filipino recipe. So whether you're Asian, black, or white, as long as you cook with Sprite, this video is for you. All you will need for this recipe is just some shrimp, Sprite, and probably a knob of butter. I believe that equals to 1 tablespoon. So this is 1 pound of shrimp right here. It definitely needs to be head-on shrimp, but it has to be pretty big. So this is shrimp head-on 30/40. You could probably get the bigger one, the 20/30. I can't remember what it means. The lower the number, the bigger the shrimp. So you'll just take the shrimp, make sure that it's head-on. I'm not gonna call this a super simple recipe because based on the sinigang video, you're too stupid to want simple recipes. Sprite all the way to the top, and then a knob of butter. No salt needed because the shrimp, being a sea creature, naturally has salt in it. You just gotta let this hit 1 boil. In the Philippines, we say isang kulo, which also means 1 boil, and then it's all ready for you. So here we are, it's already boiling. I'm just gonna flip some of the shrimp that were on top just to make sure that all of it is cooked. But otherwise, this is ready to roll. See, as you can see right there. And then this juice right here, this is awesome. Make sure you don't throw this away. Also, even though this looks like it's boiling, Sprite doesn't boil over because this little thing right here is not pulling up. So just something to look out for. Here is my little tapas style plate that I've made. As you can see in the broth, all of the juices from the head have really started to come out, so that's why you need to get head-on shrimp. All right, so first thing we need to do is suck on that head. So it still keeps its flavor. It's hot still. So now I'll dip it back in the broth. Yeah, so it's this nice, sweet and salty. I don't know how the butter plays out, to be honest, but I just do it because I'm told to do it. But this broth, I'm forgetting about this bread. It's definitely Sprite. It's still sweet. It's not effervescent anymore since you boiled it. But it's like a seafood Sprite. It's so good. It's not simple. Don't make this at home. Thanks for watching.